Uh, Actually, yesterday I completed introduction class, but you asked for the content, no? So, are you working?
Ma'am, actually, I have completed my MCA this year,
Okay.
and I have got an internship in an organization
Oh,
for
okay.
6 months. 6 months, and
Mm,
after 6 months, if my uh, if my credit is good, they will make me permanent, and the
okay.
salary would be 18,000.
Okay. Okay. You're from?
So, from Banaras, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. You're working there only?
Yes, ma'am. My internship is going on. It will be ending at August 3rd.
Oh, okay. Okay. So,
So my
Why
organization, yeah,
Linux,
ma'am.
Anand? Why you are
Ma'am,
choosing Linux? Mm,
ma'am, my organization is a cyber security organization.
okay.
So
Then Linux basic is compulsory.
they primarily work on Linux,
Yes.
and
Yes.
they work on, actually, when we have to install a server, they work like these Linux and basic commands, and also sometimes advanced commands.
Yes. Yes.
Along with
Definitely.
that,
Mm.
CCNA was something which was, ma'am, so that's why I chose this.
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
because
CCNA is about
because
routers and switches.
yes, in the cyber security, when we get any networking devices and
Yes.
IP
Yes.
address and how to communicate and detect the thing. And the third one, which
So,
I was looking, was AWS, because now the customer and clients are
cloud
coming
computing. Yeah.
over the cloud to install their servers.
Yes. Yes. For cyber
So that,
security, uh, Linux and CCNA is compulsory. For cloud computing,
yes,
AWS, Linux is compulsory.
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. So that was the reason, ma'am, for choosing, because your this course was a combination of all three. The third one was AWS or something else. I don't
Have
remember, but
scripting.
oh, okay. Mhm. So that was the main purpose for this one. Uh, because
Okay.
parallelly one more class is going for Shakil sir for Linux, but that was only
Okay.
one individual, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So actually in CCNA, ma'am, my concepts are clear for the networking, but I need more enhanced knowledge of subnetting and how to divide the IP into
Yes. Yes. Yes.
further and all
Before
that.
discussing, see, first I'll explain completely Linux administration. If you already have knowledge also from basics, I will start. Like Linux complete. What is Linux? What are the advantages we have in Linux? What we get along with the Linux operating system? How to install the operating system? Basic commands like creating files, folders, copy commands, remove command, delete everything. Very basics I will explain because some students will come without any knowledge, zero knowledge. So after basic commands, I will explain basic shell commands, or we can say filter commands, which are used to check content of a file as per user requirement. And after that, user administration, group administrations, file permissions. You may have idea, but if you don't have, also no issues. Because as I told you, everything I'll explain from basics to complete. Not only basics. Here you'll get RAID configurations, network configuration, backup and restore, NFS server, Samba, FTP, Apache, DHCP, DNS, NIS. All the servers I will explain here. Basic to complete Linux administration course I will explain. And after finishing Linux administration, I will not start directly CCNA. I will start basics of networking, like OSLAS, basics of networking, like what is networking, what are the advantages of network, what are the basic requirements to connect our system in a network, and IP address, what is IP address, what are the classes we have, what is the range, how we got the ranges, everything I will explain. Then subnetting, how to divide a single network into multiple networks, everything I will explain. After finishing of basics of networking, then only I will start CCNA. In CCNA also, what is router, what is the advantage of router? Here also I'll start with basics only. Then router configuration, routing protocols configurations, ACLs, switching configuration, everything. My classes are based on the exam CCNA. In CCNA, what is Cisco website, what is the code is there, what is the course content is there, that only I'll explain here. So as per Cisco only, I will follow the concepts. And everything I will show you practically, theoretically and practically I will show you everything. And after finishing the topic, something today if I explain, after finishing the class, I also share the notes. See, something, if today I've explained something, I'll make a note like this and I'll share with you. Through Telegram, I will share. There will be a Telegram group for our class. That group is private group, not the public group where you're getting all the advertisements, updates from DURGASOFT. There will be a separate group for us, only for our class students. So there I will share the notes. So any doubts are there also, you can message me on Telegram. Anytime you can message me if you are doing any practicals or in theory you have something doubt. And Monday classes will be from Monday to Saturday, Friday, right? Saturday, Sunday, if you're practicing something. If you have any doubts, you can message me on Telegram. In the classroom also, if something I'm explaining, you're not clear on the topic, you can ask me immediately. Or you can message me on the chat box also. If you can't do both, you can message me on Telegram also. I'll be there to guide. I'll guide you completely. And this course, if today something topic is completed, next day you'll get the recording video. Okay, that recording video access, they'll give 6 months permission. But this Telegram group will be permanent. If you complete this course also, the group will be there. You can message me. Any doubts are there. Anand, you want to ask anything? And after CCNA, I'll explain shell scripting also. Yeah, Anand.
Ma'am, in CCNA, do we use any online lab or something?
Anand, what you said?
In CCNA, do we use any online lab or something, ma'am, for
Yes, yes,
CCNA?
lab also. Yes, yes, lab also show. Using packet tracer software, I will show you lab also.
And where I can use this shell scripting, ma'am?
Anand, you said something. Your voice is very low. Can you repeat?
Ma'am, what would be the use for Unix and this I mean shell scripting?
Shell scripting. Linux shell scripting nowadays, many organizations they are asking for scripting also. Like scripting is like it reduces the commands, it reduces our work. See daily examples. Say for example, daily 5 o'clock, you want to take data backup of all the machines, or you want to run some 10 commands. Daily, you want to run 10 commands at at some time. Okay, daily work. That is your daily work. There are something 10 commands. You want to execute that 10 commands regularly in all the machines. Okay, so instead of running 10 commands one by one manually, what we do is we'll create a file. We add the 10 commands into that file. We'll give execute permission. We'll make the file as a script file. So that whenever we run the file, it execute all the 10 commands. So our work is reducing. We can set the time also. Daily 5 o'clock, you want updates. So you can set timing also like that. It will run automatically daily at 5 p.m. So shell scripting is used to reduce administrative work. And we can create in shell scripting, we can create our own commands also. Anand, you're getting?
Yes, ma'am, I got it. I got it. I understood it.
Yeah. Okay.
So, ma'am, in the chat box, I have sent one link, ma'am, which I got it. Is it the same syllabus we will be, I mean, will be covering
What?
in the chat box, ma'am?
Yes, yes. I'm clicking on it. Yeah. Yes, here we have the syllabus, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this one only. This is given by me only. All this I will cover. All this you are going to learn. It is not at all difficult. Easily you can understand. We can do practically also all this.
Yes, ma'am. Then it's. I mean, we can.
First, I'll start with Linux, Linux administration.
Mhm.
Then we'll go with CCNA, basics of networking. Then CCNA, then shell scripting. This timing is okay, right?
Yes, ma'am. Timing is okay.
Then.
Uh, uh,
If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll clarify.
Ma'am, this is the only stuff for Linux so far as in the internship. I have gone through ls and ls space hyphen la ll command
Uh-huh.
ltr
To check
and
files.
yes, and they have their separate Docker. So for
Yes,
that,
yes.
what Linux command we use
Mm.
and cp mv and scp.
Secure copy to transfer
Yes,
the
yes,
files.
these are. Yes, ma'am. So these are the small tasks we do on daily basis,
Mm.
and few. I mean, vi
Forgot
command to.
whatever you did. Forgot whatever you did there. I'll explain everything from basics. If you already know that commands means fine. That is it is like just refreshment. But still, everything I'll explain.
Okay.
I will imagine you like a new student, like zero knowledge. You came with zero knowledge. So like that only I'll explain. So it will be good for you also. Am I right on it?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. And ma'am, the timing would be same, right?
Yes, yes. This is okay, right? 8 to 9.
Yes, ma'am. This timing is okay. One thing,
Mm.
ma'am, actually, what happened that last year, I paid on for a course, and it
Okay.
was, I mean, let's say. The course was, let's say, 10,000. I paid like 6 to 7,000. And
Mm.
the thing was, the timing was like 8 or 9. And then after a week or so, the timing was to change because I mean, it was to change the timing.
Okay.
Yeah. I
No,
mean,
no,
I
no.
mean the
My
faculty.
this timing is fixed for us. This timing is fixed. 8 to 9 is fixed time. I schedule this time for this class.
So
Actually,
in
I
that
have my
regards, ma'am,
office. Yeah.
that money also got I mean, I lost it, and I
Oh
mean
no.
the link also, everything, video also, because that I
Even
was not
subject
able to.
also, you don't even get the subject also because of timings. You miss it
Correct,
that
ma'am.
classes also.
Yeah, it was Salesforce CRM, so now no knowledge. I mean, I forgot everything also. Did not
Ayyo.
complete the whole class also, because
Oh,
there was, I mean, 2 or 3 modules he started, sir started taking at a time. Like
okay.
one batch is going, we can continue at 7 and something. So from college to coming to, it was, I mean, I was taking more than the expected time, 7,
Okay.
7:30 or 8. So I was not able to continue.
Mm-hmm. But no, it will not happen here. It will not happen definitely.
Yeah, ma'am. So I'm fine, ma'am, and I think that my all doubts are cleared. And my only
Mm.
motive was to go with Linux and CCNA, because
Mm.
these two I mean, courses are really used
This,
for me
yes,
on daily
exactly. Yes,
basis.
yes, yes. So next class will be on Monday, Anand. Saturday and Sunday, no classes. Daily classes will be there. Today is just interaction class for both of us. Monday, I'll explain the topics.
Yeah, I'm sure then.
Done, done,
Okay.
done. Yeah, we'll meet on Monday, Anand.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Most welcome.
Bye.